Friend participation.
Good friends participating. There you go.
Exactly.
You know, you need a cigarette?
I don't think so. No.
Pineapple then.
No pineapple. Pineapple's coming. You know, when we first came to Euro Bistro, we kept hearing some people say, "There's some regulars over there." We're regulars. Well, a couple more times, I kept seeing the same people that would show up, and they were regulars. And so I was trying to figure out, I was going to get a card for Noni, but I'm too cheap for a card, so I wrote my own. This is you might be a card.
Sorry.
You want to do this?
That's a badly behaved spousal unit.
Okay, I'll take care of her. Is that right, Pam? I'm going to need some help. Okay.
Regulars.
Regulars. I don't want to be regular. First time you're going to be a regular. But let me tell you, you might be a regular. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you don't need a menu to order your dinner. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever been served a dinner before you ordered it. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ordered something that is not on the menu and gotten it. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro. You guys catching on to that? If you've been served something different than you ordered and you liked it better. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever found yourself giving advice on a menu to new customers. You might be a regular if you've ever thought Dave and Penny were co-owners. Penny? Hey? You might be.
You might be regular.
If you've ever heard a whistle come from the kitchen and seen staff running back to pick up food. You might be regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever heard two loud whistles come from the kitchen and seen all the staff and Dave run back. You might be regular if you go straight to the kitchen before sitting down to say hi to Raimund. You might be regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever eaten leftover sauerkraut in a spätzle for breakfast. Thought nothing of it. You might be a regular if. At Euro Bistro. Yeah. If you know what song is on next. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever gotten one of those songs stuck in your head on the way home. Oh, guilty. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you have noticed Mary and Sasha walk by more than once while you're eating. If you've noticed, Noni doesn't sit for 1 minute.
This is probably the longest time I've seen her sit.
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever been asked to make a poster for an upcoming special. Nobody has done that, okay? You might be a regular at Euro Bistro
if you asked to put up the Oktoberfest tent.
If you've ever been asked to help with their Oktoberfest. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever found yourself on staff at a Euro Bistro Oktoberfest. Anybody found yourself on staff? You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever heard Sylvia play a Beatles tune on her accordion because a customer requested it. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever gone home with a full bag of bread for the ducks.
Has anybody ever left without a full bag of bread?
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you'd wondered what the secret ingredient to Raimund's Jägerschnitzel sauce were, but didn't ask because you were afraid you might need to take a double cholesterol medication.
So long you pass the test in the morning, Monday morning.
Also, if you've ever skipped going to the restaurant for a week before taking a cholesterol. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever had both lunch and dinner there on the same day. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever seen a customer eating fresh pineapple with a beer chaser. If you've seen both lederhosen and a kilt worn in the restaurant. If you're a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever seen Dave being attacked by Sylvia. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you automatically look for a message braided into Dave's beard.
Very true.
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you think you have your own special table in the restaurant. Regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever ordered half a beer and gotten the top half. Or if you've ever seen fireworks or had a close call. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever found yourself in a photo on the front window. Okay, last page. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro
Looking for beer?
if you ever use the word schnitzel as one of your passwords at work.
How do you spell that?
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever recognized Chef Raimund on the news 3 days in a row, standing knee-deep in water saying, "It's not so bad." You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you can tell who made the apple strudel by the size of the apple slice. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever taken a blue Oktoberfest bracelet to Penny or Peter's shoe store for a discount on Birkenstocks. I still have my 90% off.
Mine too.
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you found the restaurant packed and received an offer to share their table from Jim, Mona, Dave, Marty, Mike, John, Penny, Peter, Eddie, Sylvia.
Right.
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever gone to the restaurant to celebrate New Year's, Halloween,
Oktoberfest,
Mayfest.
You got Thanksgiving in there?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you if you have Noni telling you what your kids are doing this week. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever attended a special dinner where they served Austrian wine and Asian food and not thought it was out of the ordinary. You might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you feel more at home in the restaurant than at home. You see Raimund and Noni more than your own family. And you might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever celebrated your birthday with an apple strudel and the birthday bear. And last, you might be a regular at Euro Bistro if you've ever had Noni serve you at her birthday dinner.
Toby, thank you for the cake. Toby.
Thanks for inviting everybody. Yay. Thanks to Raimund for all the great food.
Thank you, dear.
An extra 15 pounds this year. Thanks so much.
That's not my fault. That's your job.